In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play a universal time on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about which options you have to play a universal time on a PlayStation 4 console. This process will work for any console that you have, so PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, or even an Xbox One. The thing that I have to make very clear is that the game does not have official console support. So even though you can follow these general instructions that I give you in this video to actually play, there is no guarantee that the experience will be good or smooth. You will have to spend a lot of time setting it up, and overall there's no guarantee that this will work. The best way to play on console, if you really want to, is to connect a keyboard and mouse. So all that you would have to do in that case is to acquire a cheap USB keyboard and cheap USB mouse and connect them to any of the available USB ports on your console. Then boot up Roblox, look for a universal time, and join. You will be able to play using the keyboard and mouse. If you strictly want to play with a controller, then what you have to do after you join the experience is to browse through these settings, make sure that everything is okay here, and afterwards go into your abilities page. You will have to assign every single ability to the proper button on your controller. So in here, whenever you have moves, you will notice that each of them has a bind. So what you have to do is press a specific button and then press the specific bind that you would like to assign them to. So for example, Dragon Bite on button R2. After you have all of these actions set up one by one, you will be able to use them when you get in game. However, even then there's no guarantee that they will work. Because you have so many abilities and only a small amount of buttons, it is going to be hard to bind all of them. So I would highly recommend just going with a keyboard and mouse and connecting it to your PlayStation 4. That way you can play a universal time as if you were on PC. Even though you can individually change all of these buttons, as I've said before, I wouldn't recommend it. But as long as you assign all of these buttons here, you will be able to use them for specific actions. So for example, I am using B to dash. Of course, I am recording this video on my PC with an Xbox controller. However, everything that I say here will apply for your PlayStation console, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to play a universal time on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.